Hello, welcome to my channel Tech Tutorials with Annie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create invitation and greeting cards for your friends and families. So let's start. First I have to go to Play Store. Then I have to type Greetings Island, Greetin, Greetings ISLAND, Greetings Island. Then you can see Invitation Maker and Card Design by Greetings Island install. I'm making you see some demo images present in the Play Store. Easily create invitations and cards. Choose the perfect design. Customize text, colors, photos. Share your own creation. And you can download the invitation or greeting card. You can print it also. If you connect your phone to the printer, you can print it and you can send it online. Just wait for a few seconds. It's installing. So this is a security check I have shown in my other videos also. It may be not in your phone, so just don't worry. After that, click on the open button. Greetings Island. You can see you have your invitations here. So this is first I'm showing you how to create invitation card. So I'm going to click on Christmas because Christmas is near. So I want to invite my friends over the Christmas party. So I would like to choose this one. You can choose anyone which you like. After that, so this is an ad. After that, here it's written Secret Santa Party. I want to just edit it and I want to keep as Santa Party. So just click here like this and you have to click on edit. After that, you can cut that, you can edit this, or you can write of your own which you want. After that, you have to click on update. Otherwise, it will not be updated. So this way, and you can edit all the writings here. Then after that, you can, if I click here Santa Party and I want to change the font, I don't like this font, I will like this font or this one or this one. Like this, you can change the fonts. So my liking is this one, so I will keep it like this, Santa Party. Now you can change the size like this. You can see, you can change the color. Want to keep it as red, you can change the align. This is center align, this is right align, and this is left align. So I'm going to keep as center. Like this, you can edit the whole one. After that, you have to click on next. Save the image. You can save this image. You can share this image directly from here and you can print it also. If you, I have said previously also that if you connect your phone to the printer, you can print it. So I'm not gonna save it, so I'm gonna just back it. So this was Christmas, and here you can get many things as Christmas, holidays, announcements, emergency party, graduation party, like this here are given. And if you want to upload your own, you can do it. Just take your own design. I'm gonna keep this design. And you can add a photo here. This is again an ad.
Is your phone filling up with photos and videos? And feeling
so you can add a photo here. If you click on this photo, you can add your photo. First you have to allow, then you can add your photo from device and from Facebook. After that you can add your text. Then you have to click on the next option. So like this, you can choose any design and you can do it. Now I have completed the part of invitations. I am going to the greeting cards. So I'm the Christmas greeting card. So you can see these are the font layouts, front layouts. I'm gonna keep this COVID-19 Christmas party. Again, add boring ads. So this is the front, and then inside, if you click this, then you can add your text here, and then after the back, you can add text here and you can add an additional photo. After that you have to click on next. If you want to share your online card, you will share this. Click on the share option and you can share that online card. Think you want to share it to your brother. So you have clicked on the share option, share online card. It will process itself. After that you can see, if you click on the WhatsApp and again you go to your brother's profile. So the WhatsApp, your brother's profile. So you just click on your brother's and then if you send it, you can see it will appear as a link. It is appear as a link. If you click on the link, you can see the best magic. I'm not gonna show it here, or I will show it. 1 second, I'm just copying it to my clipboard. Just 1 second, wait a minute. Just pasting it here and I'm just clicking a tick mark. After that, if I'm just showing it, no need of doing like this. You can just send to your brother. Then in WhatsApp it will come like a blue link, and if your brother clicks on that link, he or she can see it. Okay, just let's see. Then I wanna search it. Let's see what happens through Google. Doing our magic. Then you can see the card will come like this. After that you can click or drag this. I have not written anything, that's why it's not coming. You will write, then you can see that will come and you can just close it like this. It will just come like a greeting card and you can print it also. So I'm just going back to my greeting card. Then I have to click on, then I have to back it. So after that you can click on upload your own. You can upload your own design. Again and add.
Is your phone filling up with photos and videos and feelings?
So you can see the front. Then you can add a photo, add text. After that inside you can add text to your back. You can add your photo text, and after that just do as next. You can share, print it. You can share as online card, email as PDF. If you share as an online card, this will be good. If you email as PDF, the pages may come in a bad way. So it's good if you share it as an online card. So these are the things which I have to show you. You can create your invitations on greeting card, anything. If you like, see here birthday. Just you can see these are the front pages. If you click on any of this, then you can get your front page layout. So this much only. I hope you like my video. Please click on the like option, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. And surely it's a request to all of you to write a comment so that I can see, or I can think that how do you like, means how you have liked my videos, and I can get a good review of it. Thank you very much. Let's meet in my next video. Bye bye.